Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna try something new today. I was so excited to see this package in my mail today. And before I start today, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to see easy DIY videos. So this product I have is vinyl, iron-on vinyl that I'm gonna be using today. So let's start. So I'm gonna be using two colors here. This one is royal blue and this one is purple to green. So let's open this. I can believe this was like really heavy roll. I mean, it was pretty long, to be honest. Like it was like very long vinyl. I don't know how am I even gonna use this, but let's see what I make out of this one today. So it comes with the instructions on how to use this vinyl, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a 5-star because I love this product. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty shiny, and you can see at least like two colors in here, purple and green. So I'm gonna open my second one too, but let's open this one first. And as you can see here, like it is looking very pretty. I love the material. It is very heavy duty. The vinyl is heavy duty. There is this black adhesive in the back. I'll show you how to like use this. It was very easy to use this vinyl on my t-shirt. So let me open my second one now. And this royal blue was my favorite one. My husband really wanted to use this one, so I used this one on his t-shirt. And look at these colors. I mean, I don't know, for some reason in this video it looks both of these looking pretty similar, but trust me, both are different colors. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I add my design into my Cricut design space. So here I open my Cricut design space and create a new project. Here is one design, the first one. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna insert to my canvas here. Okay, so I create this design on my iPad using Procreate app. You can see my other videos if you like to get more information on how I make my designs. But here I'm just inserting my design here, and then I'm gonna change the size. So I change it to 8x8 size, around like 8 inches. But this is all depend on you if you are doing similar kind of thing, and how big, how small you like this kind of a design on your t-shirt. Okay, this part is very important. After you are ready to make your design, make sure you click on this here, mirror. Make sure you turn that on. So what it's gonna do is gonna cut your design the other side, and you'll see what I'm gonna do next later, but that's what you need to do at this point. Alright, so let's turn on my Cricut and let's add our vinyl on our Cricut mat here. So I always like to use this mat. This is a strong grip mat, and as you can see, it's super sticky. Alright, so now let's grab our purple to green vinyl, and I'm just kind of measuring out how, like what size I really want to cut. So here, cut to the size that you need. I am just using just a plain scissor here, and I'm gonna flip my vinyl like this, and I'm gonna keep the black side up and shiny part down. And I'm just placing my vinyl on my Cricut mat just like this, and just pressing it down a little bit. My mat is super sticky, so I don't need to like tape or anything, but if you are using light grip mat, make sure you tape the edges. Okay, so let's open my Cricut. So I'm using Cricut Maker here. You can also use regular Cricut Air, and I connect my Cricut Maker to my computer here. Now on this page right here, I'm gonna choose the vinyl option, and it's gonna cut my vinyl. So if you are using Cricut Maker, you will find these vinyl options in your list. So you just have to keep it in your favorite list so that it's gonna show up in your first page. I can create another video for that, if you want to, just let me know in the comment down below. Alright, so I'm just gonna insert my Cricut mat in my Cricut here, just like this. Super simple, super easy, and then click on C for the cut. It was a little bit hard to do this part with my one hand because I also have to hold my mat here. So, but I love my Cricut and I love my Cricut because of the Cricut I started my small business, and I am so in love with my Cricut. So I love my Cricut. Okay, I don't know how many times I even say that. Okay, so here I'm all done cutting, and as you can see, I already cut the edges because I didn't really wanted to waste those areas. Okay, so now I'm just gonna peel vinyl from this corner, and I'm gonna keep the transfer paper there. So as you can see, I'm just peeling off the vinyl. I'm gonna keep that transfer clear paper that is there. I do not want to remove that, so I'm not gonna take that out. As you can see, it was a little bit trickier to pull this part, but not too tricky. It was just super simple, but it was a fun part. And I removed all the vinyl around my designs, and I'm also going to do the same thing for the inside part. For this, you can use the weeder if you have. I don't have it, so I'm just going to use this knife, and I'm just going to pull from one corner, and it was pretty simple to remove everything else then. So again, I made this design using my Procreate app in my iPad. If you like to know how I make this kind of a design myself, you can just let me know in comment down below. I will try to create a new video. Last couple months I didn't get chance to make a lot of video because I was working on my craft shows and other stuff. I was working on my website, so that's why I didn't get really chance to create like many other different videos. But now I'm back on my track. I will try to make at least once a week a new video for you guys and try to create a new DIY videos. Like, it's a lot of fun, right? Alright, so I also removed this vinyl from this little area on the ladder. Okay, so I'm gonna remove my transfer tape like this, and look at this. I love how the way it turned out, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here is my t-shirt. I'm gonna try this design on this t-shirt. I love black colors, so I'm gonna be using black t-shirt. So I put a cloth underneath my t-shirt, and I'm gonna use this lint roller and where I'm gonna add my designs so there is no dust or anything there, right? So here what I like to do is I also like to use iron, and I am trying to make sure that there is no crease or anything. And before I add my design on this area, I'm gonna warm up that area a little bit, and then I'm gonna place it in the center like that. What I like to do is leave like a 3 inches from the center on this area and trying to make sure it's in the center. I mean, you can measure it if you like to, but I just eyeball it. And I put one more cloth on the top, and then I'm just gonna iron it. So this is not a tricky part. This is super simple. What I am doing is, after I put my iron there, I press it down a little bit, and this is what it's gonna do its magic. So I iron about like 30 to 40 seconds, and I'm just checking if it's peeling off or not. As you can see, it's super easily like peeling off, so I'm just gonna very slowly checking on all 4 corners, and I see I need to do on this area maybe like 30 more seconds there. So I'm just gonna press it down a little bit there, and then I think it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it cool for about like maybe a minute or 2, and then I'm gonna peel the transfer paper. Okay, now it's time to peel off. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel just like that. It was super easy. I mean, I can't tell you how I was so excited to peel this off. and I really love the designs. I mean, as you can see, it's coming up super easily, but I was a little bit scared. I don't know for some reason why, because it's my first time doing it, so that's why. I guess I just didn't wanted to like ruin my design, so that's why I was like super slow here. But trust me, the second time second t-shirt that I tried, I was like super easy, boom, like it was like it come off in just like 1 second. Alright, so here I'm all done, and just for my sake I just wanted to iron on one more time on top of it, but you don't really have to. Okay, so I am all done with this one. What do you think? I mean, I love this. Look at this. I can see like all different colors in here. If you like to, you can also iron on the back, but again, you don't really have to, but it's a good idea if you want to do that. And again, yeah, here I'm all done with my first t-shirt. Now I was so excited. I had like so many other ideas in my mind which I want to try, but before I do that, I really wanted to show you like how it was looking like. As you can see, it's like very pretty like design. I mean, it's a very pretty vinyl. Okay, so like I said, I had like so many other ideas which I want to try. And here I made 2 more t-shirts using these vinyls, and this time I used this blue one, and as you can see here, it is looking very pretty. I love this royal blue vinyl. If you are interested getting this vinyl, I'm gonna put the coupon code down below. You can check it out and you can use that coupon, and you can enjoy making many of this kind of a t-shirt that I am making. I made 2 more t-shirts here, and for this one right here, I have added this design on the front of this t-shirt, and I also add this kind of a little line on both sides, something like this, and also this 2 line in the back around the neck area, and I love that. And I did the same thing with this t-shirt. So let me know what you think about this project. I'm gonna put the link down below of all of these materials that I use in the description down below, so you can check it out. And please let me know if you have any question about materials that I use or any other questions. I love to answer them if I can. And yeah, I am all done right here. I will see you next time for my another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Bye.